Grade 8, Unit 5, and Activity 5.3. At the morning assembly, Lahiro spoke about how he spent his vacation with his Japanese pen friend. Good morning. Dear sir, teachers, and friends, I would like to share a recent experience I had. I spent my last vacation with my Japanese pen friend Kenta Akamoto, whom we affectionately call Ken. Kenta means healthy and strong. Recently, his parents and his little sister came to Sri Lanka for a short holiday. Now, I'm going to tell you what I learned about Japan and its people. Japanese people can be described using several words. They are polite, clean, kind, intelligent, hardworking, respectful, and punctual. Their trains are among the world's most punctual with an average delay of 18 seconds. One of the trains has a speed of nearly 500 kilometers per hour. They are also intelligent and hard-working. They have access to amazing technology. For example, Ken's father has a waterproof mobile phone. My friend even told me that there was a building with a highway passing through it. According to Ken, Japanese people are very strong-willed. They experience nearly 1,500 earthquakes a year. Despite this experience, they always stand strong. It is amazing to know about what they feel about cleanliness. They do not wait for anybody to clean their own surroundings. They begin their day by cleaning their homes and the surroundings. They see it as their duty to be clean and to maintain a clean neighborhood. I hope the things that I shared with you today would be useful to you. Thank you for listening. Have a nice day.